Hello, my name is Christine Bell, and I am the Mathematics Curriculum Specialist for the Central Region. I'm here today to deepen your understanding of how to create student-friendly learning scales in the area of mathematics. Before we discuss scale creating, let's quickly revisit the process of creating a know, understand, and do map. The purpose of creating a CUD is to unwrap a standard so that PLCs can answer guiding question 1, what do we expect all students to learn? It is important for PLCs to study the focus standards in the unit to ensure that all members have a mutual understanding of what student learning will look like and sound like when the standards are achieved. We do this by circling the verbs and underlining the key concepts like important noun and noun phrases within the standard. We will get a deeper understanding of standards complexity and will be better able to select learning experiences that build in the necessary rigor. The know will include the vocabulary and basic facts or information that is necessary to build towards the standard's proficiency. The do consists of the skills and/or processes that are necessary to show standard mastery. The understanding is the deep comprehension that we want our students to take away from the learning experience. Using our state resources like CPOMs, the FSA test specs, and our district resources located on Canvas, will give support with standards analysis. Collectively unwrapping the standard will help with the creation of the student-friendly scale. The learning scale deconstructs the complexity of a focus standard within a unit. The purpose is to provide a clear direction for students to know what is needed to master the standard. In addition, the learning scales offer teachers a roadmap for designing instruction that reflects a progression of learning based on the standard. The learning scale shown is just one example of the resources provided by the Office of Teaching and Learning for PLCs to use as a guide when creating their own scales. When constructing learning scales, always begin with the standard by placing it at the 3.0 on the scale, regardless of its complexity. This is because the 3.0 indicates proficiency and includes the actual standard in student-friendly language. It is helpful to use the Marzano taxonomy when analyzing the verbs of the standard to determine the complexity. Notice how we rephrase the standard to list specifically what students need to be able to do to show mastery. It is helpful to avoid words like understand or know. They tend to be generic and leave a lot of room for interpretation. The more concise, the better. After establishing the 3.0, we next move to the 4.0. The 4.0 extends the learning to a higher cognitive level. The goal is for all students to strive for that higher cognitive level, not just the academically advanced. When developing level 4 learning experiences, consider the complexity of the standard and follow a natural progression. Next, we move to the 2.0 and the 1.0 of the scale. A level 2.0 outlines the basic knowledge and steps needed in order to achieve the standard. The 1.0 level represents basic knowledge and skills needed with support from the teacher to be able to do and understand. Within this example, you can also notice that there are sample tasks within each level of the scale. This serves the purpose of assisting students to determine their level of performance more accurately and provides examples of what is needed to progress further into their learning. Using hot examples from the text or getting ready for the FSA problems are great when designing, selecting sample activities. For more information and resources regarding mathematics, learning scales at all grade levels, please visit the Office for Teaching and Learning's Canvas site.